Hello, Aspie, me and my ADHD. So this is part 2. I have tried out the earplugs that are supposedly good for just wearing around and being covert and just blocking out noises. And I've decided that I don't like being able to feel things in my ear and in my throat at the same time. It's just not a sensation I enjoy. So yeah, those ones weren't any good for me personally. Although my child did quite like the smaller ones that we had in the pack. However, the ones that I quite like are these mouldable putty ones. I think they're brilliant for, you know, blocking out noise and blocking out water or something if you want to go swimming. So you get 8 of them in total. I'm just going to take one just to show you. And you can just mould it in your hand, make it nice and warm. I didn't. I was just like a bull in china shop, and I just took it out of the pack and pushed it in. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah. But these work amazingly well. Just give it a little push. Now, it does come with this string, so it does indeed push in to the putty, so you don't lose it. Because something else that I wanted to show you was the fact that you can buy ones that float. Now I've got some water here. I'm just going to show you quickly. Let's point you down. I don't know how I'm going to do this. So yeah, I'm just going to pop it in. Show you. Yeah, definitely doesn't float. So if it is something that you wanted to use for swimming, I recommend that you pop the ear string, so you've got 2 ends. You just pop that in the other one, but obviously I don't have one in that area. Yeah. So for my review on this particular kit, the only bits that I found useful were the brush, which has got a nice little bit, and a little bit here, because I found that my ears weren't as clean as I thought they were when I was popping the earplugs in. So yeah, the kit and these mouldable putty plugs to go in your ears, but there are much cheaper ways of buying them other than in the Siesta Panda kit. So I guess I'll be trying out some different earplugs then, because I'll be honest, these aren't brilliant for everyday use, as in you can't really hear conversation very well. I just want some covert earplugs that I can wear. Oh, and your hair sticks to it and blue. Sorry. Yeah, I just wanted some covert earplugs. I won't take my hair out of that. It literally moulds to the shape of your ear. So cool. So yeah, these are covert, but they block out too much noise, so they'd be brilliant for sleeping or swimming, but for everyday use when you actually need to converse with other people, not so great. If you just want to block out everything, brilliant, buy them in bulk. Okay, cheers for watching, bye bye.